Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Abu Hurairah. My metric number is 191900. So today I will present about my internship program at Selgo Engineering Resources. Before I begin, I will explain in a little bit about Selgo background. It was founded in 2016 by Consortium of China Engineering Private and Limited and General Engineering Private and Limited. Selgo objective is to support oil and gas industry in Malaysia, to make contribution towards Malaysia economy with contracts from foreign countries, to train and develop a pool of skilled workers for the oil and gas industry in Malaysia, to use CAR as a business and fabrication center to penetrate the international oil and gas market. Selgo expert in plant construction, especially in fabrication and installation, pre-commissioning and commissioning, plant maintenance and shutdown, flange management, insulating and painting, supply of engineering parts, electrical and instrumentation, and finally project management. This is a task that was given to me by engineers in Selgo. I was asked to assist them in generating overhead crane drawing for company's workshop, structure drawing for cabin office, creating material database according to ASME code, creating timesheet database for workers who work in commissioning and construction at site, review engineering drawing, and also learning how to read the drawing. From the drawing, extract materials data from engineering drawing, and also finally design company's marketing brochure and business catalog. So this is my first task that I've done in Selgo. I create this plan drawing using AutoCAD. This engineering drawing also I create with AutoCAD for container structure. This will be used to construct a structure for storing equipment such as welding machine and welding generator and full body harness. From this drawing, I need to extract data. I was tasked to extract data and translate it in Excel file. Same goes to this drawing. I translate it into Excel file. This is material size standard database. I create based on ASME database for Selgo engineers to refer when during tendering. And this is worker timesheet. This is the design brochure that I designed and approved by Selgo director, and this is the business catalog. From this internship program, I've learned that engineering workflow, especially in EPCC project scope. I've also learned legal and regulations that relating to project tendering. I also understand generate the understanding and for the information and data present in engineering drawing, efficient method of data management in Excel, types of welding and its procedure, design purposes for process plant and equipment, efficient and faster way of using AutoCAD, the importance of planning when executing project, and basic project management skills. From this internship program, I can conclude that data analysis skill is crucial since engineering work deals with a lot of data. Safety is the utmost importance in engineering work, and EPCC is one of the backbone of any engineering field of work. That's all from me. Thank you.